Hi everyone, in this video we will show how to use the Affirm card in store. First, shop for the items you want to purchase at a store that accepts Affirm. When you're ready to pay, open the checkout link provided by the store on your mobile phone. Once the page opens, enter the loan amount you need for your purchase. If you already have an Affirm account, enter your phone number and sign in. If you're a new user, enter your first and last name, email address, mobile phone number, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number to create an account. For security purposes, Affirm will send a 6-digit verification PIN to your mobile phone. Enter the PIN to access your account and continue. Affirm will then review your application and provide a real-time decision. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional information to verify your identity. If approved, you'll see your approved amount, estimated monthly payments, APR if applicable, and other loan details. Take a moment to review all the payment options and choose the plan that works best for you. You can also enable autopay if you want your monthly payments to be made automatically. Before continuing, review the loan agreement, disclosures, and any store refund policies, then confirm the loan to complete the approval process. Once approved, Affirm will provide a one-time use virtual card at the store. Use the virtual card details to complete your purchase just like a regular payment card. After the transaction is complete, you can manage your payments, view your balance, and track your loan details through the Affirm app or website. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.